going to the laundry place now.
Laundry.
So it's afternoon already. Mayong hapon, right? Mayong hapon. Mayong hapon.
Separated the
Yeah, separated the laundry. Is it a cold coffee?
Yeah, cool.
Okay, I'll try. One bottle.
One bottle.
Mineral lemon.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. The butter 88 to 75 pesos, so what is here? Hello, Mr. Watson. Well, that's all.
Galing sa chiller, ma'am.
Only 79.50.
Okay. Salamat, yes. See you later. Yes, thank you. The coffee place. So we have the water.
Coffee.
And I bought iced caramel macchiato.
For 39.
39 pesos. Was the water in?
What is the pink thing?
Oh, sorry. I got mixed up with the tune. We can check later if the tune is open. So this was a window. Let's go to check if the gym is open. The gym is open again today, but seems to be too crowded, so I cannot go because I want to go to the treadmill. So maybe I'll come back a bit later. 1 hour exercise done, and now just a quick break, and probably going to come here back in a bit. Time for round 2 in the gym. Done with the exercise. 2 hours, one with the bike and one with the treadmill. So pretty good, if I can say. I feel good, and now I need to go to shower.